Hello everyone, welcome to Quant Masters. I'm Harshita Alveli. Today we have Pravalika with us. She's from Andhra Pradesh and she got placed in Temenos recently. So let's get started. Let's talk to her and know about the entire interview process in detail. So, hi Pravalika.
Hi Harshita, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine.
Firstly, we would like to congratulate you on getting placed in such a good company with such a good package, Pravalika. We are very happy for you.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
So, ready to share all the interview process
Yeah,
and your experience with us?
yeah, sure.
Okay, firstly, tell me from where are you and from which college are you, Pravalika?
Actually, I'm from Andhra Pradesh, but I've done my graduation in Chennai.
Okay,
I'm from RMD Engineering College.
okay. From which department are you from?
I'm from electronics and electrical engineering, triple department basically.
Tripoli. Oh, so you're from
Yeah,
Tripoli. Okay, okay, super. So, could you tell us the exact package, the job role, and the eligibility criteria for Temenos?
yeah, sure. First, when it comes to eligibility criteria, they have a minimum criteria of, they kept a criteria for percentage. It's actually 80 percentage. And if we are above that, we can apply for the Temenos.
Okay,
And the job role is that actually I got a developer role at Temenos, and they actually, when they came to our college, they came for two roles actually. One is testing role and the other is developer role.
okay,
So I think based on the interview process and the requirement, they just segregated us for different roles like testing and development.
okay, okay.
And the package offered is around 6.4 LPA.
Okay, okay, super. So, when did you apply for this? So, this was an on-campus interview, right? Just like
Yes,
you.
yes, yes.
Okay, okay. So, when did you apply for Temenos?
Actually, during the end of June, end of the month, I applied for Temenos and I've given test there. Test.
Okay,
Actually, in test, they asked us few questions. Like they asked us five questions, among which the fifth question is the compulsory one, and it's a HR type of question. Like all the five questions, we have to type them in the text box which they have given us. The fifth question is,
what were those questions? Like, what were the first four questions?
yeah. Out of those five questions, fifth is compulsory, and among the first four, we have to write any three questions.
Okay, what were
Uh,
those questions?
like those questions were like two are from query language and two are from programming language. Like they won't segregate the questions. You have to code this in any coding language or programming language, or you
Okay.
have to answer this in query language. They'll just give us the question and then we have to type. And the tricky
So
thing is they won't
basically,
give us
these
any
were
compiler.
technical questions, right? The first round they asked you technical
Technical,
questions.
exactly.
Okay, when was this conducted?
uh, During July, early
July.
July, I can say.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Tell me. So among these four questions, you had to answer any three.
Yeah, we can
And
answer only three.
fifth was a compulsory question, which was a HR question.
HR type of question. And we
Okay,
have to type answer for all the five questions. And the tricky thing is there won't be any compiler. They'll just give a text box for us and then we have to write our answer there. Actually, I don't know the criteria on which they actually,
selected.
shortlisted us. But
Okay,
I guess they just check the quality of the code which we have given, because there is no compiler and they just gave us the text box where we have to give our answer.
okay. So was this an elimination round or everyone were selected to the next
No,
round?
no, no. This is the elimination round where mass number of people got eliminated here.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Do you remember what were those questions like? Questions from which topics were asked or something
Uh,
like that?
uh, the questions were like they just gave us a database with few things and they asked us to solve that. Like the first two questions, as I told, they were in query language. Though they haven't mentioned that we have to solve it in only in query language, but it's better to solve that like that,
Oh,
because as they're checking it manually, it would be good.
mm-hmm.
And the questions were like they just given a database and asked some questions. They were too practical. Like, uh, should you please pause? Yeah, among the first four questions, three we have to attempt it compulsorily. Actually, we can attempt only three, and they were like, two we can do that in query language, and the remaining two we can do that in any coding language. As they haven't mentioned any as they haven't given any compiler for us, as it is only text box, we can do it in the comfortable language.
Okay. So what was the fifth question? The HR type of question. Do you remember what it was?
Yeah, the question was like a practical question. They just gave us a situation and asked us our opinion. The question was, yeah, they have given the situation like, I am a part of a sports team. Like there are 20 people in the sports team, wherein 12 people are main players and 8 people are substitutes. We have to go for a place where the tournament is happening. And after reaching the railway station, we came to know that one ticket is missing. I mean, one ticket is less.
Okay.
Instead of 20, we have only 19 tickets there. So they asked me, how will I react and what will I do if I'm the team captain? I mean, they just asked me, how will I tackle that situation?
Okay, okay. So you had to type the answer for this.
Yeah.
So what was your answer?
Actually, I gave my answer like, it's okay if they have any issue, anyone among those 20 players, if they have any issue, like any urgency to attempt, I'll just ask them to go upon their will. If not, I'll give my ticket for them, and then I'll take some other way to reach the tournament station. Because yeah, I just told like that.
Okay, okay, super. So when did you get to know that you have cleared this round?
Like after some 10 days of after attempting this written test, we came to know that I cleared the test.
Okay, so totally how many rounds were there?
Actually, there were 3 rounds on. There were 3 rounds.
Okay, okay. So what was the second round?
Second round is actually a technical round, technical interview. Okay. It happened in the mid of July. Okay. Like I can say 15th July. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yeah. What questions were asked on what platform was this round conducted? Was this in
Teams? Actually, they conducted it. Yeah, it's an online interview and they conducted through Teams.
Okay, okay, super. So how many panel members were there?
There was only one panelist. Like she's a Temenosian and she's the one who interviewed me.
Okay, okay. So, but then do you remember what questions were asked in the second round?
Yeah, actually, it started in a very friendly manner. Like she's too friendly. I think she made that friendly because so that I can come out of my comfort zone. Like I can feel everything comfortable.
Okay.
And mostly the questions were all from my resume. Each and every point which I mentioned in my resume, they just went to each and every point and they asked me the questions.
So whatever was there in the resume, something related to that was asked.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So anything apart from that was asked, or only things that were related to resume were asked?
Only things related to resume, but they asked in depth. Like I mentioned Java and C. They asked me everything. Like when it comes to C, they asked me about dynamic programming. She asked me to code for one problem statement. Okay. When it comes to Java, she asked me few tricky questions. Okay. And they also asked me things related to my internships, which I've done in few companies.
Okay. Then, questions related to your project was asked?
Yeah. Actually, questions related to my project, it went for some 15 minutes. Continuously, I've been explaining about my project there. And I got more questions from my project too. Apart from that, we will casually mention few skills, right? Analytical, logical. So they went there and they asked me questions even from there. Like they asked me, how can you say that you are analytical? You're good at logics. Like they just clarified everything.
Okay, okay. So basically, students who are preparing for Temnos should prepare the resume very carefully.
Yeah, exactly.
Whatever you put there will be asked.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. So how long did this go on?
It went for about 1 hour. And yeah. They also one more thing, as we are going for a product-based company, we have to know something about that company. So they asked me a few questions related to their company also.
Okay, in the technical round.
Yeah.
You could answer those.
Exactly. Yeah. Actually, I made a little research on the company, so it helped me a lot.
Yes, so when did you get to know that you have cleared the second round?
On the very next day, I came to know this.
Okay, okay. The very next day you got to know that you are selected for the final round.
Yeah,
So
uh,
what was the final round? The HR interview?
HR interview.
Okay. Yeah. Tell us about
This
the interview.
yeah. I've given this technical interview on 15th, and my HR was scheduled to 19th of July.
Okay.
So HR was like, it's just like a conversation where we introduced ourselves, and it just went for some 15 minutes. That's all. He asked me a few questions related to my skills, like my family and my background. He asked
Okay.
me a few things related to my studies and education, and that's all.
Nothing complicated, nothing tricky
No,
was asked.
HR was too friendly, and it went like just a conversation.
Just a conversation.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Super, super. That went on for 15 minutes. That's it.
Yes.
Okay. So when did you get to know that you have cleared all the rounds and you are selected for Temenos?
After giving the HR interview, after a couple of days, I came to know that I got selected for Temenos, and as soon as I came to know that, within one day, I got the offer letter also.
Okay, okay. So that was about the entire interview process with Temenos.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for sharing all the information with us, Pravalika. You told everything in detail. I am
Thank,
sure students who are watching this will find it very useful.
oh, thank you. I'm
Okay.
glad because when I was preparing for the interview, I found very less content in YouTube and all. So it made me little nervous before attending the interview. So this might help others.
Yeah, definitely. Your experience will definitely help students who are trying to get placed in Temenos. Thanks for sharing all the information, and once again, congratulations on being placed in
Thanks a
Temenos.
lot, Harshita.
All the very best for your future, Pravalika.
Thank you.
Thank you.